Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today you will be seeing me do the makeup tutorial for this entire look. So the plan before was for me to use a gold color, and it didn't turn out how I wanted because the gold is really hard to get, only because you need to use, you'll see in the video, I'll talk about it. But you need to use a crease, I would say a crease, and use more concealer with it. And I definitely used the wrong brush. I thought it was going to be a loose shimmer powder, but it was not. So I definitely used the wrong brush, and I ended up fixing it, and we just ended up going another route. The good thing about makeup is not that serious. You could just go another route and fix it. So this is what we came up with. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get right into it. So I'm going to first start by moisturizing my face, y'all. I use the Neutrogena Skin Moisture. So I was going to be talking about a couple things while I'm doing my makeup today. I'm excited. So I was thinking that I do need to go on and make a little intro video to my videos, because I hate when the videos just go like straight to it. And I just started, so I definitely going to do a I'm going to see what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to plan an intro video to edit and put on these videos, just because I feel like it looked better, and it's a good introduction to my video once it starts, guys. So we are doing brows today. I think I'm going to be doing brows for a while, guys. I finally bought concealer, y'all. I've been running out, and I finally went to Ulta today, and I had to call it there because I was at Walmart, and I was like, where is this stuff? I used the Pro LA Girl concealer, by the way. And they was like, they had it. I was like, well, I went yesterday and I didn't see it, but I guess I didn't look too good. So I went up there and they helped me find it. So we're going to do brows first. And yeah, I don't know what it is. I just been, after doing my brows for like the first time in a long time, I was like, oh, I'm going to be doing my brows for a while. That's all I know. So I used the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Brow Palette. I had this for some years now, and it still look like this. Like, brow powder lasts so long. Gel too. So I'm gonna do these things, do light and dark on the outside. I'm really just like filling me in first. I really love doing my brows now. It's really bringing me back. Like, I don't understand. I never used to like I only stopped doing them once I got to my new school because I was so focused on my degree. When I was at my other school, I was nothing that I was a biology major. That has nothing to do with it. But I was focusing on my makeup a lot at the other school. But I stopped when I got here because it was just so stressful with my classes, and so I just focused on my degree and education. But now that I'm almost done, I have like 3 more semesters. I just gonna focus on growing my brand and myself. So yeah, that's the goal. And now I gotta get back into it because I missed this. Okay, now we're gonna use the concealer. When I was at Ulta, I got 2 different ones. I got Fawn and I got Toffee. I also still have my Cool Tan. So I am actually gonna use the Cool Tan on my brows, and I'll use Toffee under my eyes. If you don't know, with our eyebrows, concealer cleans it up. So if it looked like it's like too thick or too dark, you don't have to worry about it. When you put concealer on, everything it'll look perfect. And I like using this concealer because it's really thick, and I like that it already has a brush with it. It's just really easy to use. It's a whole process, y'all, when you do your brows. And I still need to clean my brushes. So I'm going to finish my brows and then you guys will see. Okay, guys, so I did my eyebrows and I went on to set my eyes while I was already off camera. So we are going to go in with our eyeshadow, which I will still be using the 35XS No Silent Night. I'm excited. I love this palette. I wanted to do a whole another color with this. That's why I chose this one. And I think I'm going to go for the gold. Let's see. I love this palette. Once again, if you haven't seen it, this is it. It's so nice. I think I'm gonna do, the red is pretty. The berry part is nice too. I think I'm gonna go with something lighter, guys. Well, this is always so hard because there's like so many nice colors. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a berry color because it's like a velvet, it's a velvet rope, which is like a burnt velvet color. Then you have the ruby color, then you have a berry color. But the gold is actually really pretty too. So I actually think I want to go for the gold. That's the whole side right here. We're going to work with this one today. Now, I hope it really, really shows. I'm going to do more of the orange with the gold. So I'm going to take the Flicker of Romance, which is the dark orange in here. And I'm going to put this as my base color. So when I was at Ulta, y'all, it was like so hard for me not to buy anything else. I went just for concealer. I got to stop spending so much money. I went just for concealer and I got it. And I was like looking at all this other eyeshadow and I was like, let me get away from it because I do not need this. Do you see the color, guys? That's really pretty. And I'm going to put a lot on here. And then we're going to do this the same to the other eye. I'm going to be, I'm not going to use the really, it's like a nude color. I'm not going to use that. I'm really just going to work with these two colors, the burnt and the really gold shimmer. Then I'm going to add shimmer up in the eye, in the corner of my eyes, guys. And I might do jewels, but I might not do jewels with this one. Not with this look. As I did my hair, like my makeup, y'all, I always like now I'm missing the platinum, the really white blonde I had. It's so hard to keep that because your roots grow out so fast. Perks of having really short shaved hair. So now I'm going to blend this in, guys. And then we're going to put the, we're going to work with the really gold. We're going to put that on half my eye. And we're going to blend again. And I also need to say these colors blend very well. Like this eyeshadow, it blends very well. Okay, guys, so this is it after blending. This is all one color, really pretty. I really love the color. This is a really good eye if you just want to do just like one look, you know, one eyeshadow and just go. This is perfect. I love this too. So now we're gonna go in with the gold. Once again, I'm gonna show you guys. It's the second one from the bottom over here. Let me make sure, yeah, right here. So we're gonna be working with this. And I got a feeling, I got my really loose leaf brush, but I feel like it's gonna be hard to, yeah, it's like really not hard to get because it's like shimmer. It's like a lot of glitter. So this is what it looks like. I feel like you're gonna have to use a lot, or you might have to put more concealer on it. I'm just mixing this in here a little bit because I just want a little shimmer on this eye, guys. So we're gonna see. Oh, it actually holds, okay, it holds a product. Yeah, let's do it. Like, you'll definitely have to put a lot on here. Or like I said, you can use, if you want to do like a crease, just use, put more concealer on your eye and then add it to it. I'm not doing all that because I'm doing just two different colors and I'm just blending this all in together anyway. But I'm not going to put this on the whole eye. I'm going to blend this out. I'm trying to do, I just wanted a simple, cute, I want a simple, like gold, orangish eye, I guess. Yeah, it's really hard to keep that together, guys. I don't know if you can see that. It's really hard to keep this together. But I always make stuff work. So I might have to change plans. I might do, yeah, I'm going to change routes and use the Flash Dance, which is this one right here, guys. Hope I pointed to the right one. We're going to go a little more pinkish orange because I am just putting stuff over this eye and I'm not trying to mess this up that much. Okay, guys, so I'm done with the color and I've ended up just doing it like this, just mixing the second color, which is the Flash Dance, and putting it on half my eye and blending it all in, which it kind of went everywhere, but it's okay. We'll work with it. And everything don't go as planned. I'm going to use the gold one day, which I would just have to do a crease with that because that color is so hard to get off. And also, I'm going to do my liner as well. It doesn't help that it's also like gold. It's hard to get that color for me. I'll just have to probably use like, yeah, really thick concealer. And I'll have to use another brush because I think that brush also didn't help. You probably need a really small, tight brush. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put my, it's just a habit. I always put black eyeshadow on my liner because it's just a habit. I've been doing it for so long. And like I always say, it gives me a more matte look, even though it's just for my eyelashes. Is a habit that I have to do every time. If it's not already liquid eyeliner, because this is a marker and this is very different. So now we're gonna go in with our. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation, which is the 355 Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And I'm gonna put this all over my face. I already moisturized, so we are good to go. Guys, it's 5 days till Christmas. And then, is it 31 days in December, am I right? Hold on, let me check. Yeah, 31 days. And then we have, in 10 days, well, 11 days, we have New Year's Eve. And I'm going to be doing another look, a really gold look. I might use that gold on that day. That'd be perfect. Do y'all have, like, New Year's resolutions? My New Year's resolution is to grow myself, my craft, growing my channel, growing my Instagram, growing everything that I'm working on, and making, like, starting a business. Like, seriously, I got so many things I want to do. I have so many things I want to do for next year and this year also, but this is coming to an end, and it's kind of crazy and it's kind of scary because I'm, like, getting older. I'll be 25 next year in September. Wow, 25. I'll also graduate. That's a good thing. I had a late birthday. I'll graduate college when I'm 27. So I'm going to use the Toxic Concealer, which I have ran out, and I finally got some more, y'all. I had to get 2 of these because this is my color. But, yeah. I'm going to be graduating soon in 3 semesters, and then off to grad school. More expensive, right? It's a mess out here. I'm also going to use a little bit of the Fawn, which is another color I have. But yeah, then I'll be off to grad school. It's just so crazy. I feel like, oh my God, so many things gonna happen. So I'm gonna take my sponge and I'm gonna go to blend this in. Okay, now I have my concealer, guys. I'm going to go and set my face with my powder. And then we're going to get in to, I need to contour the outsides of my face. This concealer is amazing. I'm talking about, it's like, it's only $4.99 at Ulta. And it's a habit that this is the only one I use. Like, it's the only one I'm so used to it. And it's such a good coverage. And I, like, absolutely love it, y'all. So if you're looking for a good concealer, Pro LA Girl is definitely the way to go. It's cheaper and it's actually very nice. So I'm going to take my contour palette and I'm just using the dark color in it for the outsides of my face, which I still need another one. I keep seeing this. You know, one day I'm gonna shape the nose. I'm gonna do a full contour one day, y'all. It's just not today. I am gonna do a full contour. I just personally think a lot of people do too much with makeup. I just don't think you have to do all that, and that's just why I won't do it. It's just not, like, necessary for me to do, like, everything. I'm okay with my nails. Even though I still say I kind of want a nose job, but I'm not going to go through with it. So, I'm going to go with my, what is it called? My blush, guys. I cannot not say that. I'm doing a really light one. It's so funny to find these the faces we have to make when we do stuff. But yeah, I said I wanted a nose job for the longest because of my nails. I had an incident when I was younger where my dog bit me and I had to be rushed to the hospital. And I have like 12 stitches right here, which they dissolved. You can't really see it, but it's only I can see it because I know exactly where it was at. And I also have them on my cheeks because he grabbed my face. So it's just a habit of me always saying I want a nose job because I want a better nose. But I have come to the conclusion that I'm okay with my nose now, so I don't need a nose job. That's just me always talking. It would be nice, but you know what? I've seen too many botched nose jobs on TV and in news, and it's not happening to me. It's crazy how much, like, your nose changes everything. And I will probably cry to the death of me if something happened to my nose, if something went wrong and it wasn't pretty. So yeah. So now we're gonna go in with that palette, and I'm gonna use the first color I use, guys, the dark gold, not the gold, but the brown. And I'm gonna put that under my eye. Okay, now that we're done with that, you know what's crazy? I really, as I was talking about the nose job thing, you really think about it. I'm gonna go to add my mascara while I'm doing this. Your nose, I think nose, lips, and whatever people be doing with their cheeks. What's they called? Cheek filters? I don't know how you do that. Your nose and lips are like, they really change the way your face looks. Seriously. That and your cheeks. I don't know what people do with their cheeks. I'm really curious. I don't want that done to me at all. I can't. But what are cheek filters? I've heard of them though. Oh my God, I don't know what it is, but people want to stay looking young. That's what it is. Just age gracefully. You know, black don't crack, so like, it's interesting when you see like a lot of black women getting surgery, and I'm like, a lot of people look beautiful before. You know, you're still beautiful, you know, do what you do, but I'm just saying black don't crack. And I'm not saying that everybody else cracks, but black don't. So it's like you will always look good, but you just like, you age when you get surgery, and it look worse when you get surgery. Everybody's beautiful when they age gracefully. You just let nature take its course, and you just age. Because I don't plan on getting surgery unless it's like reconstruction, and it's like if I was in an accident and I needed to. But other than that, nope. I don't think my looks will be going down anytime soon. That sounds so conceited, but it's the truth. So that's what I believe. So we are going to go on and add our lashes, and I'm going to set my face, and you guys will see the finished product. So this is the finished product, guys. I hope you like it. Very simple, very like, you know, out and about, any occasion. That's what I love. That's why I love these eyeshadows I'm doing. The eyeshadows, like, this is a burnt orange gold. You can wear this anywhere, dinner, date, friends, just going anywhere. Like, that's the good thing about this look, guys. So as you guys, when I did the base at the beginning, with my eyeshadow, I love that burnt color. The base of my eyeshadow, the burnt orange. You can wear that anywhere. I absolutely love it. And I gotta do a look one day with just that and just add some more stuff to it. So with that, I just added shimmer to it. So as you can see, this is it up close. I added gold in the corner of my eyes just to bring some more shimmer to it. I also added a little bit under my brows. And I absolutely love doing my brows now, y'all, so they might be in every video. Just to pull it all together, I set my face with the Madison Bear Morphe palette, which is a gold shimmer. I also added gold earrings just to bring it all together. I absolutely love it. Once again, I keep saying it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamTatianaGreen. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.